Welcome to 22908 Galva Avenue, single-family, one-level home in South Torrance. Come inside and have a look with me. Offering over 2,000 square feet of living space, all on one level in South Torrance. Inside, you'll find wood floor living room with recessed lighting, dual pane windows with shutters. Remodeled bathroom with walk-in shower. A chef's dream kitchen complete with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and a professional-grade 6-burner stove. The expansive great room is the perfect gathering place featuring striking stone fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and a built-in desk with shelving. The oversized primary suite, converted from an original garage, boasts dual closets with organizers. Two additional bedrooms include a flexible oversized room combined from two and another well-sized bedroom. Hallway bathroom with bathtub with sleek glass enclosure. Step outside through glass doors to an entertainer's paradise. The backyard and side yard offer a stone patio with a built-in barbecue with counter, grill, and mini refrigerator. A detached permitted bonus room with sliding glass door provides endless possibilities. Use it as a recreation room, man cave, she shed, or even explore modifying it into an ADU. Located just half a block from award-winning Arnold Elementary School. If you'd like more information about this property or would like a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.